Good morning to everyone. My name is P. Hari Krishna, and I am working as assistant professor in Annamacharya University at Rajampeta, and I belong to Department of AI/ML. Today I am explaining OSI model in computer networks. Coming to the first slide, that is OSI model consists of 7 layers. They are application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and a physical layer. Coming to the next slide, that is what is OSI model. OSI model means Open System Interconnection Model. It was developed by ISO in 1984. ISO means International Standard Organization. Coming to the next slide, that is 7 layers. Those 7 layers are application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and physical layer. Coming to the application layer is not an application, but it performs application layer functions. It provides network services to the end users, and functions of application layer are: it allows users to access the files in a remote computer, to retrieve the files from a computer, and to manage the files in a remote computer. The key responsibilities of the application layer are: it supports resources sharing and file transfer, and enables email, web browsing, and remote access. Coming to the next layer, that is presentation layer. It is mainly concerned with the syntax and semantics of the information exchanged between two systems. It acts as a data translator for a network. Presentation layer is known as the syntax layer. The key responsibilities of the presentation layer are: it encrypts and decrypts data, and compresses data, and converts character sets and data formats. Coming to the next slide, that is session layer. Session layer is used to establish, maintain, and synchronizes the interaction between communicating devices. Functions of session layer are: session layer acts as a dialog controller, that it allows the communication between two processes, which can be either half duplex or full duplex. And key responsibilities of session layer are: coordinates half duplex or full duplex exchange, and manage checkpoints for every recovery after interruption. Coming to the next slide, that is transport layer. Transport layer, the main responsibility of the transport layer is to transfer the data completely. It receives the data from upper layer and converts them into smaller units known as segments. This layer can be termed as an end-to-end layer, as it provides point-to-point connection between source and a destination to deliver data reliably. And two protocols used in this transport layer, they are TCP and UDP. TCP means Transmission Control Protocol, and UDP means User Datagram Protocol. Coming to the next slide, that is network layer. Network layer determines the best path to move data from source to destination. It is responsible for routing and forwarding the packets. Addressing. Network layer adds the address and source and destination address to the header of the frame. Routing determines the best optimal path out of multiple paths from source to destination. And the next one is data link layer. Uh, Data link layer is responsible for error-free transfer of data frames. It provides reliable and efficient communication between two devices. And key responsibilities of the data link layer are: it uses MAC addresses for local physical addressing, and detects flash transmission errors, and it has controls access to a shared transmission medium. Coming to the next layer, that is physical layer. The main functionality of the physical layer is to transmit bits from one node to another node, and functions of the physical layer are data transmission mode and topology. Coming to the next slide, that is how data flows. Data flows from uh, application layer to transport layer, and transport layer to network layer, and network layer to data link layer, and finally it reaches to physical layer. Coming to the next slide, that is OSI model versus TCP by IP model. In OSI model, it consists of 7 layers. Those layers are application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and physical layer. Coming to the TCP by IP model, TCP means Transmission Control Protocol, and IP means Internet Protocol. It consists of 4 layers. Those layers are application, transport, internet, and network access layers. And these are the key takeaways. 7 layers, one job, each physical up through application. Each level solves a single well-defined problem, and data is encapsulated going down and de-encapsulated going up, gaining or shedding a header at every layer.